channel. Well, learn from me to cook using an air fryer. For this time, let's make pork chop. Pork chop using an air fryer. Crispy pork chop and very tasty. Please don't forget to watch my other recipes here using an air fryer. Check my playlist and also like this video, and also check out my Facebook page, and if you have time, do check out and subscribe to my Patreon account. Okay, so here's our pork chop already washed and clean. It's time to marinate our pork chop. Add some salt. Black pepper. Garlic powder. Spray some oil. Spray some olive oil. Total of my 5 pork chops. So yes, our pork chop is ready. Just leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. And it's time. Just spray some oil to our air fryer. Okay. 200 degrees Celsius, first 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is over. Yeah, so it's time to flip. Additional 10 minutes more. 200 degrees Celsius. Yes, it's ready. OMG, so crispy. Our pork chop.